Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, M.2 solid-state drive, wireless module, hard disk drive assembly, DC-in module, thermal module, motherboard, and display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully separate the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Important: the edges of the display bezel are held in place with adhesive. Take care when removing them from the display enclosure. It may be necessary to use a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool to aid in the removal. Lift the display bezel off of the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the display bezel.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.